Sige na. You put a little bit in the puto. A little bit of sugar to top your puto. Sige, sige. And then, it's okay na. Okay. You use this spoon.
Why?
This spoon. That's your spoon.
Alright, that's my cup.
Yeah. And you can put on a little bit of careful ha, this is so hot. You put on a little bit of chocolate. Sige. Sige, more pa. More like this. Put it out. And then like that on top of your puto.
Oh, I want one.
Oh. Sige, eat na.
Hey.
Eat na, use your spoon.
Yeah.
Use your spoon.
Ito, this thing. Nice.
It's okay. You can do it.
I can't do it.
Try. First try. Like it?
Yeah.
Did you? Tell the camera how you love it. This is chocolate. Sikwate. You say sikwate.
Sikwate.
Puto.
Puto.
Okay. You like it? You can add more if you want. We're sharing that. Sige, eat more. Sige na, eat more na. You love it? Huh? You love it?
Yeah.
Uy. Get the spoon. You put it here. Ito na. You higit sa daw. You like it?
Yeah.
Blow first. Drink. Sikwate. You say, I like. Like and subscribe in the camera.
Like and subscribe, like it.
Big boy nagazod ka dong. Big boy nagazod ka. Kay mabili na.